So step of banana to make mbege, you take 25 banana, which is 4 kilogram. Then you mash them. After you peel them and mash them, then you take 4 liters of water. Then you mix it. And after you mix it, and then you take your pot, which is clean, and put water, 4 liters of water, and then make sure that it is clean and the water is clean as well. And then after that, you're going to boil it. So we're going to put it in the stove, but here we're going to use firewood because when it's boiling, it's spread everywhere in the kitchen. So it's better use the firewood. So after you put your water, you sear it well, make sure that it's soft. And then after that, you can take it and put in the stove and start boiling. This one is going to boil for at least 3 hours. The first hours can be normal temperature, but later you're going to reduce as it's getting cooked. But you have to stir it out all the time when you're cooking it. Okay, so stir it very well. So this how it's looking like after you cook for 2 hours, and this one is going to look like after you cook for at least for 3 hours. And then, as you can see, you let it cool. So we're taking the one we've been putted for 7 days, because that one we have to take it for 7 days. And then the 7 days you put water in the morning, stir it out, and wait for later in the afternoon. Then you are going to come and remove the juice. So you prepare your flour first, the millet flour which you're going to put. So as you can see here, is 1 liter of water, 1 liter of flour, the millet flour which we are going to put. So you're gonna make sure that you boil your water for 100-degree temperature. After when it's cooked, the water being hot enough that you cannot even dare to put your finger on it, you put it down, you put your flour, okay, then you stir out your flour, and then after you stir it out, you can see it's not very too thick and not very too soft. You have to be like that. Then you keep on stirring it for a while, and then you can see the flour disappearing, the white things disappearing, and you can see it turning. You can see the layer of sugar on top of it has enough sugar. So we let it cool down until the flame go down. Then at the same time, you keep on stirring it a little bit, not too much. And then you take a clean sack, we use a local way here, and the clean container. And then now we're gonna remove all the banana stuff on it by using local way, as you can see what we're doing. So remember, we boil the banana, we let it stay for 7 days, and then we mix it with water, and now we're using that. So how much water did we put here again? It's the same, 4 liters. So now squeezing the juice out slowly, as you can see, and then mash it to remove the sugar content, all the nutrients of banana inside of it. Do it slowly, but after that, now you can use your power to squeeze it out, but don't put too much pressure, because you don't want them to go out without having all of these nutrition things. So you keep on doing that for a while until when you finish all the water out. Remember to clean your hands, and remember to have a very nice container, and these sacks have been washed by cold water, and then we put hot water on it just to kill all the bacteria. We don't want our mbege to have any harmful bacteria. So after you do this, then we are going to come and take your porridge from the millet flour. We are going to mix it. We're gonna mix it and stir it well and wait it rest at least for 5 hours. We just put it. So just if you're in a hurry, you can just see the way things going. So test it first and see if it's too strong. You can add water. If it's not strong, then it's enough. You can add the flour now. So you put the flour, you stir it out, you let it overnight, cover it, Make sure you have a long container, because if it's a short container, when you cover it, you might find everything is down and all the nutrients are out, and that won't be mbege any longer. So after you stir it out very well, you can check if it's too thick. Always have an extra juice from the banana in case if it's too thick you can add. And always have an extra flour porridge on it in case if it's too light, you can add more. So you stir it, you can see the way it's going around. You can see things coming up. We call it kilemba in Chaga because I'm reporting from Kilimanjaro at Masama. So just want to show you the banana, the one we made before, because the one we're using from mbege is the one we're being fermented for 7 days. So this is how it look like when you mix it, and you can see things coming up, and we leave it for overnight. So this is in the morning. This is the evening yesterday, how it started coming up. This after 5 hours. This 5 hours in the evening, we did it around 5. So this is almost around 10 in the p.m. And then now you can see what is going on. So as you can see now, this is banana, is our mbege. This is the morning now. We open it. This is how it look like. It's amazing, guys. It's beautiful. Smell very good. You can see it. It's coming very well. Okay, reporting from Masama, the land of wonder. This is Jungle Queen Hope Otumaini, showing you how to make mbege. Come and enjoy. Bye bye.